Hello lovely people, welcome back to Mariam Edibles. Today I am so excited to share with you my mini fluffy pancake recipe and you are going to love it. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive in. In a bowl, I break in 2 eggs, and then add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 150 ml of evaporated milk. You can also use a whole milk as well. And then we whisk everything together. You can also use a wooden spoon or a spatula to do this, okay? And finally, we add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can also use unsalted melted butter as well. And then we give it a nice stir. Alright, let's set it aside. So in a bowl, and then pour in 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Add a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then we mix everything together. So we make something like a well, okay? Yeah, something like that, and then pour in our liquid. Because my bowl is small, I have to be very careful. And then add the remaining to it. If you don't feel comfortable with the whisk, you can use a wooden spoon. So guys, nothing goes waste. Let's rinse our bowl and add it to it. Yes, nothing goes waste. So this is how the consistency look like. So finally, I add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can also use vanilla extract, okay? So lovely, check the consistency. This is how it runs from the whisk to the bowl. Yes, I don't know if you can clearly see it. My pan is on fire, so I add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil and then grease my pan on low heat. So guys, before you fill in the paste, you have to allow the pan to heat on medium and then regulate it back on low before you start to fill in your paste, okay? So somebody may ask, how will I know that my pancake is ready to flip? Just watch this clearly. You can see some bubbles on the surface. As soon as those bubbles start to pop and then form holes that stay on the surface, that means that it's ready to flip over. Yes, and look at that beautiful golden brown color we had. So to know that your pancake is well cooked, the other side too has to be golden brown. So you just have to lift one like this and check. When it's golden brown, that means that your pancake is ready to be taken off. This is how it looks on the other side. So I grease my pan again with a little bit of oil, not too much, just a little bit is okay. And then we fill in our paste. Let's flip over. Voila, it's golden brown and it's ready. Hello lovelies, we are done and look at that. Very simple and easy, and it's also yummy. Ta-da! So let's check. Our mini fluffy pancake is ready. Look at it, very soft. You can enjoy it with any topping of your choice. You can enjoy it with maple syrup. You can also enjoy it with honey, top choco, or even buttercream. This is buttercream that I'm using, so you can enjoy it with your buttercream. And because of the fluffiness of the pancake, it looks like soft bread, so you can enjoy it with your fruit juice, and that can serve as breakfast. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.